Hello, morning, buenos dias. How are you guys? How's everything going on? Today, I'm only watching two stocks, Apple and Meta, but my main watch is the Q. The Q is my main watch. Apple because Apple is the one that is dragging the entire market down. So, I want to see if Apple can hold 178, 177. And Meta, I wanna see if finally it's gonna break this trend here. Um, well, Apple is already under 175, so but yeah, my main watch it I think today I'm only gonna trade the Q or SPY. If we have a bounce, it's gonna be a SPY. If the market keeps going lower, it's gonna be the Q because there's no need to complicate it. The market it just had a huge move. Oh, that's not. You had Nvidia puts overnight. That's awesome. I had a little um NQ, like let's just say put play with futures overnight. I had two micros. I'm I held like I sold one when I wake up, and now I'm just leaving one runner to see what's gonna happen. Probably it's gonna get me like I put my stop loss here, so maybe it's gonna stop me out when the market opens because when the market opens starts going crazy. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, Meta and and Apple. Mainly the Q. The Q and SPY. The Q and SPY. But if Apple keeps being weak, the market is gonna keep going lower. Gotta do something here. Oof. So yeah, I have a cute little runner here. Let's see if it's gonna stop me out. So far well, this runner only is 3 over 300, and that's multiplied by 6. So yeah. Ooh yeah. So it's Apple. Apple is the one that is dragging the entire market down. So if today the market just open and just die, it's gonna be very difficult to play. Very difficult to play. Because I will need a bounce to play options, to play any options. But I don't know if we're gonna get any bounce here because the Q Apple is dragging the entire tech market. And by history, I think it's the eighth is the worst date of the market. And September is the worst month. So, ooh yeah. Thank yous just dying. But yeah, if the market just open and dies, I don't think I'm gonna take anything because it's gonna be extremely difficult. For me, I like after such a big down overnight, we need a bounce here. We need a bounce. Yeah, I'm drinking champagne. Okay, look at this huge gap on Apple. Are we gonna fill this gap or the market's just gonna keep tanking? That's the that's the thing today. That's the question. Like SPY, it's definitely stronger than the Q. So if you wanna play calls on SPY. If you wanna play puts on the Q. Yeah. So I'm gonna put an alert here on Meta. So Meta, the thing that I wanna see on Meta is if the market is strong, if it's gonna break 303 and use it as support, or if the market is weak, is it I wanna see it losing this uptrend, and if can lose this uptrend, I think Meta is gonna go back down here, at least to 288. Oh yeah. So the Q is still looking weak, but Apple is bouncing. Is it Apple gonna fill the gap? I kind of feel like closing my futures, just taking profits and just waiting for a bounce to re-enter. Like my watch list, very short, but I like it that way. Yeah, because I can see we could have a bounce here. 444 is a big level for SPY. Let's see what's the. I kind of feel like the queue is gonna like. If you guys wanna play put, watch the queue here rejecting VWAP and INEMA. Yeah, but you need to be careful because we have a huge gap over. I think it's all about Apple, what Apple is gonna do. If I see Apple going above, let's see, one a little bit above 127, I might play calls just to play this big gap here. Let's see. 444 is the level that I want to see a SPY like breaking and holding. That's big level 444 and it's around yesterday's low. Mm, okay, I got stop out on the futures. Let's see. Apple is the one that is gonna tell me where are we going. SPY is rejecting 444. Okay, I got an alert on Roku. What's Roku? Ooh, oh yeah. I'm not gonna talk about watch Roku here. It's had very strong support and it's been very strong the past few days. So if you see the market going higher, Roku is gonna go. I got in futures on on the queue. I'm playing the queue upside here. I wanna see a fill in this gap. Um, I'm getting ready to play Apple calls for today. 4:45. I got in. SPY for 145. 4:45, I'm sorry. For today. Let's see. We want to see Apple holding there. You have my Apex code at the top on the chat. It's here, right here. Let's see. We want to see Apple like breaking this resistance and holding it as support. That's the way the market is gonna go. I'm kind of like expecting like a technical bounce today after such a big sell-off. We are at a strong, like a lot of stocks are at a strong supports. So I kind of want to see Apple filling this gap. Yeah. I think the trade was Apple instead of SPY. SPY having trouble there. Okay, let's see if Apple can break these resistance here. If not, we're gonna go down. You can do two things. You can either play puts and use this morning high as your stop loss, or You can play calls and your stop loss is gonna be either the VWAP or 90 MA. Let's see what's Nvidia doing. Mm, Nvidia held 450. I don't know. We just need to wait and see. I kind of feel like getting Apple puts just as a hedge. Ooh, Apple is a strong. Yeah, Apple is a strong. The thing is, we need Apple to break this resistance here. So which one's gonna be? I like more the upside just because because we have a huge gap at the top. Mm, I'm getting out of those spy puts because I don't like them. I'm sorry, spy calls. And I got into puts. 445 puts. I also got NQ to the downside. I'm up 700, 800, 9. Let's see. Let's see if we have a continuation here. So that rejection on Apple. Let's see if the Q now is gonna lose this morning low. Mm. I'm gonna sold half. What? Let's see. Oh no. And we're holding again. We want to see rejection on the VWAP and INEMA. I only have one NQ left on two accounts. I already sold one. I had two, sold one, and I only have one left. So yeah. So I have 6 already approved account on Apex, and I have like 14. Like I have 3 that I don't need really to trade because I only need to get in and out because it's already up 3k, over 3k. It's almost 4k. Those 3, and I need like 4 more days or 5 more days to trade until I get approved, and then I have like 10 more or 11 more that I'm still like trading close. I'm close to the 3k. It's 2k profit. So those I need to get it above 2k and then trade for like 5 more days or 6 more days, and then I'll get approved. I use the 5 minute time frame. Market is not moving. I'm getting out. I'm just gonna look the profits that I have. Yeah, this morning is not a good. It's not good. Like no continuation on anything. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see what's. Let's see what other things are doing because the market is doing nothing. So Microsoft is holding. Nvidia looking weak, but still. I will not short Nvidia unless it loses 450. Honestly, under 450, okay, but mm, Meta is very strong. Mm, I don't know. I don't know because Apple is holding VWAP, but the Q is rejecting. So, and same with SPY. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. But I'm holding those puts. I keeps rejecting like 444 and VWAP. We need to see SPY losing this pre-market low or morning low. The Q is it's looking very weak. And Apple, it has a lot of wicks at the top, so that's bearish. I got two micros here. Let's see how it's gonna go. With Apple breaking down, I think the market's gonna go down. Gonna like the Q is so weak. Mm-mm-mm. Any of you guys trying futures now? I found it like extremely easy. It's weird. But everybody says like you can trade futures the entire day. I don't really recommend futures the entire day. Like the after the market close, like the regular market is closed, the futures move too weird. Like I don't like I only like how futures move at regular market hours and pre-market. Pre-market is very it moves like very smoothly. Like love it. Go try them. Like with that Apex 80% off, it's like $30. One, I'm using the 100K static account. It's like $32 or something like that. It's worth trying. You lose more money like trading options than trying futures with just paying $30. And that 80% off, it's it has like like 3 more days or 4 more days, and then it's the regular price. Okay, the market is again like playing with our feelings and our mind. Let's just wait to see where it's gonna go, and then I guess we're gonna have to trade exactly like yesterday, like waiting to see what's the direction, and then if it dies really fast, we just wait for a bounce and play a bear flag or break and retest. because the market looks weak, but I don't like the downside because, like I said, we have the market has a huge gap. Only 29 likes with 80 people here. What? Okay, so I'm gonna have to get out here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the likes. Okay, so in SPY, my stop loss is gonna be break this morning high and use it as support. The Q, yeah, Meta very strong. But again, we wanna see it like breaking this. It's been like rejecting the same level over and over again. So I would like Meta to see like breaking 303 and use it as support. If the Q and Apple can go higher, Meta is gonna boom boom. But again, I wanna see it holding 303 and use it as support, but I'm gonna need Apple like breaking 177, honestly. Buenos días. But we're just like yesterday, no clear direction here. Damn, Meta. Again, we need Meta to break yesterday high and use it as support. That will be my confirmation that Meta is really like gonna go higher. But with the Q and Apple and SPY being so weak, I don't feel like taking Meta loans unless I see the Q and Apple going higher. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Meta here, we want to see it holding, okay, like that. We want to see it holding, closing above yesterday high. And I want to see the 15-minute candle closing above yesterday high, and then I'll wait for a retest or some consolidation. No, I'm not in Meta yet. I want to see Meta closing the 50-minute candle above yesterday high, and then I will look for either a retest or consolidation above yesterday high. That's because Meta still can reject here and go lower. And with this market, I don't know. We need to be patient. Like, I don't know. I'll wait for confirmation. But this, let's see. Yeah, like if it closes like this candle, like this 15-minute candle, it's gonna go back down here to 300. The market is not moving. Like we're not doing anything. Nothing. Um, not too good, honestly. The market is just not doing anything. But just like yesterday, when we see the market holding for so long the same level and it's a support, for me that's bullish. And even more after such a big down move yesterday. So I don't know. The Q is looking strong, SPY is looking weak. I honestly don't know. Mm, that's nice. But yeah, the market is not doing anything. So I don't know. That's fine. Like the market right now is not to trade. It's for not trading. Honestly, it's for not trading. The best thing we can do is just wait for a confirmation. Like you wait for a clear direction, and then you see if we're going up, we want to see it. Like let's just say a spy. If we're going up, we want to see it breaking this level and use it as support. If we're going down, we want to see a break in this level, and then you do a break and retest, and that's it. I don't think it's a good play if you're going against the market, honestly. I'm kind of liking Roku if I like it Roku because it's holding this base here, like filled the gap yesterday and it's holding here, but we need, I like it if the Q can like break out here. No, I look SPY and QQQ. I don't use futures for direction. You can use them, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just so used to it to trade SPY and the Q that it's easier for me to do it that way. Yeah, around 6 years. I've been trading for around 6 years. Also, even if Meta was the play today, let's just wait because if we see the Q breaking this high and we see consolidation on Meta, we can still play Meta. We just need to be patient. Yeah, if definitely if the Q breaks out here, Meta's gonna fly. I don't know. I don't know if Meta is making a flag. But again, we need the Q or SPY doing something. I'm not gonna enter anything else if I don't see the Q or SPY doing something. Like I'm on SPY puts, but I don't know. Like, um, Apple looks like it's about to die. Is it gonna do it? I don't know. And we're bouncing again. But yeah, Apple looks like it wants to die. Looking very, very weak. Mhm. Look at the daily candle. The daily candle spy is so ugly. It's like clear rejection from yesterday's low. Mm, this is so dumb. So dumb. We can also say that Apple is making a flag, but it has a bunch of wicks at the top. Mm, 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 mm. So we're going nowhere. Nowhere. Damn, look, Meta. That's insane. Damn. Okay. So this is so annoying. There's nothing to trade here. Like Apple is holding, but it's still under resistance. Um, the Q is doing nothing also. Same with SPY. That's pretty bullish. This 30-minute candle is pretty bullish, but who knows? Same with the Q. The Q is looking better than SPY. But we're still using 444 as resistance. Okay, if SPY breaks 444 and use it as support, I'm gonna get out. But this is still rejecting there. Google, Amazon, and Meta are the ones that are green. I'm gonna hedge my QQQ boots with, I'm sorry, spy boots with QQQ calls because I do think the Q wants to fill the gap. I got 372 for today. Um, I'm getting Roku 86 call for weekly. I like how Roku is looking. This support here. Got out of spy. Look, Meta's crazy. Sadly, Meta ran like without the market. I got the I'm playing that NQ gap in futures. I'm up 1200 on that. So only have two um minis. I'm gonna sell one. Oh no, I have to sell. I'm gonna take some profits here on Roku on this triple top here. It's pretty much 86.50, 87. If Apple can finally break this resistance, the market's gonna go. Let's see. Got out there. Mm-mm-mm. If I see QQQ going back down here and use this resistance as support, I'm gonna get in again. I'm sorry, Roku is going also. It's doing great. I'm 20% up on Roku. I'm gonna take some profit here. Market is so ugly today. Mm, 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 mm. Very difficult to trade today. I will say if you can just keep today and do something else and not trade, that will be the best move here. Mm. I honestly don't read level 2. I think level 2 will mess up with my head. I got in there on the queue because this support here. I'm playing this support here. It's a quick scalp. If it loses there, I'm gonna get out. That's it. If can hold the support here, I'm gonna get out. Mm, 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 mm. What a boring day. But SPY is holding 444. So this could be a break and retest. Who knows? Okay. That was a break and retest. Let's see if we have continuation here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, SPY is looking bullish. Even though it's looking bullish if you only see the chart, and but we need Apple. But yeah, the chart looks like it wants to fill the gap, but it needs to break this resistance here. But based only on the chart and what the candles are telling us, it's looking bullish. And same with the Q. Bye, have a great day. Let's see if we can keep this or this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Apple needs to break that resistance. Meta, it's painful to watch. Okay, okay, I like that. Apple looks like it wants to like fill the gap. Again, the same thing that happened, I think it was on Tuesday. What was what was like what's the thing that we need to learn again? Exactly like Tuesday and today looks exactly the same. What happened in the market? The market just held the entire morning, didn't do anything. So again, the thing to trade, like the move was to just buy at support and just held there. Like hold our position because it never broke like morning low. Like the Q never broke morning low. Apple the same. And it just being patient there. Exactly the same thing that I post on my end of the day recap on Tuesday. Same thing. This week it's been like horrendous, like very difficult. This week it's been very, very difficult to trade. Okay, last trade of the day, I took Apple calls weekly. I'm looking to play the gap. That's it. I got 177.5 weekly last play of the day. I got a weekly because I'm not looking to like hold for tomorrow into tomorrow. So I'm holding my QQQ calls and Apple. I'm gonna be patient here because I think the market wants to fill the gap. Even though it's going very slow. That's it. I'm not gonna play anything else. I'm gonna be patient here. The market is slowly grinding. I'm gonna put Apple here. And let's see if it has any. Well, it had a little bit of resistance here around, yeah, 180. 180, a little bit of at around 178. But if I see any rejection, I'll get out and that's it. Yeah. So I'm just holding those contracts on ES and Q contracts. I have two, and I'm gonna keep holding Apple unless stop me out. That's it. Like the 30-minute looks very bullish on Apple. That's why I got Apple because the 30 minutes was looking like bigger. That's what I like using bigger time frames because this is like ridiculous. But if we really look like bigger time frame, we can know what's really going on. Like look at this, 15 minutes clearly bullish. We want to see it holding this morning high as support. But so far, it's looking good. And I also like that SPY is holding 444 as support. And yeah, the market's doing higher lows. I'm sorry, higher lows. But I don't know. And that's it. If I get stop out, I'm just gonna be done. No. Four 44. Let's see. Yes. Yeah. So now Apple is strong, but the Q doesn't want to move. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Just move. Just move. Wiki wiki. It's an ugly wick here. Meta breaking down a little bit. I need to go to the bathroom, but I want to see if SPY is gonna break out here, or is he gonna go back down to 448.4? The- mm, if the Q closes this 30-minute candle like this, that's pretty bearish. And we're gonna go lower. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting ready to stop out. Let's see. Because the Q still can go to the VWAP and hold. but we'll see. Hmm. I feel like closing everything just because I want to get out. I don't want to keep being here sitting watching this. Looks bearish, but it's holding, still holding that level. Meta's dying. And same with SPY. SPY is still holding. So, looking weak, but still holding here. SPY is definitely looking better than the Q. Future looks fine. Yeah, I love futures. Like, I'm obsessed with futures now. And with the 80% discount, you get a lot of money for like $30. But again, don't follow me because I'm learning futures, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing around. If this 30-minute candle closes like this, I'm probably gonna get out because that's bearish. Yeah, I do have data subscription with TradingView. I made I made 9K yesterday, and also on Tuesday. On Tuesday I made 10K with futures. If SPY loses 444, I'm getting out of everything. Got out. And I got into like I'm playing the downside because when this is a clear pattern for change of direction. When I see this on the 30 minutes, let's see if we're gonna really going lower. If breaks this high, I'm gonna get out. SPY holding. Yeah, I have 6 PA accounts. Yeah, I got stop out. So yeah. So I'm done for the day, guys. I'm holding Apple unless it breaks this support here, like around 177. And also have QQQ calls unless it breaks the VWAP here. My VWAP or this level. But I'm done for the day. This is stupid to keep watching this and keep trading this. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye.